the Supernote works really well for me. And I'm going to show a couple of quick things. And you all may have seen these if you followed me before on the channel quite a while. You'll have seen some of this. You'll have seen the Get It Done Now planner. You'll have seen Voya's, My Daily Organizer. I tried this again for about 2 weeks to see if I could fit my workflow into one of these planners and basically do it better and make it more seamless in some ways. And I did that through the note system because, again, I wanted to be able to have handwritten recognition. I wanted to be able to do linking. Keywords work in the PDF, and the star marking system works in the PDF, but you don't get the text recognition and you don't get the other components, the linking components that I really enjoy. Now, if Rada ever does get that incorporated, I think you'll see a sea change in what's possible. You still have the redundancy issue of having all of your notes in one file, but those can be mitigated by having that file backed up somewhere else or doing it in a different way. But so you'll see here right at the top, I have a Get It Done Now planner test, and I tried to put things in here. But you'll see they're very small. Now, if this was the PDF version, I could pinch to zoom and make that much bigger and be able to work with it very well. Both Voya and JB have done a great job of making it so that you can enlarge these and really have some good real estate. Unfortunately, once you turn it into a note, you lose that ability to zoom, to pinch to zoom. Now, what I could do is I can rotate it. And if I rotate it, you'll see that I get a bigger canvas to be able to write on. And that does give you some flexibility. But at the same time, now there's a lot I can do with this. I could turn each one of these into individual tasks and add them to the to-do list, which I did do to try and use this system. I did the same thing on MDO, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. But the nice thing about these is all of those hyperlinks stay in. But you only have so much real estate here. You only have so many things you can add. And for me, that's just not as flexible as something that I would want to have. I also did the test document with MDO. And MDO, again, a very good planner. All of these are hyperlinks. So I can go to my next day and see, of course, nothing there because this is particularly a test file. But you'll see I had a bunch of different things written in here. Now, one thing that Voya does do, and again, no pinch to zoom because it's a note template. So let's make this a little bit bigger. And you'll see you get a little bit more spacing between the lines. You get a little bit more real estate to be able to write on. It's just a difference in design language. It's not anything as far as being, bad on either planner or better on either planner. It's just a different approach. But again, you get daily notes that you can go to and pop into. You get daily diary. You get a lot of different things to be able to